Today I'm going to show you how to import a funnel template or checkout page into ThriveCart. So when I do this, I generally recommend that you actually just create a template product for this, and that way you always have the template pages set up in your account. But if you want to, the clean and easy way to do this, if you keep track of that template URL that you start with, is to actually just create your product. So I'm going to click create a product, and in this case it's going to be a digital product, and I'm going to choose create new, and we're going to call this opt-in template because that's what it is. And I might add a descriptive label. I'm going to make this live. Then I'm going to press next. I'm going to set a product for this. So this is a $0 product. So this is free. So I'm just going to make this 0. And I'm not going to set a limit, and make it available as for purchase one at a time. So I'm going to click save, and let's see. You can choose to do things like customize your payment notifications, but if you've already set this up, you don't have to. I already have, so I'm going to click back and cancel and turn that off. And then I'm going to click next, and you can decide whether or not you want to put an order bump on this offer. If it's free, you don't generally want to do this, but this is where you would add it. Then you go next, set up your payment processors. Let's say I'm going to use Stripe, and choose whether or not you want to let affiliates promote this product. And then next it takes you through fulfillment, so you want to make sure that there's a resource for people who are stuck. So add that. And then display their total invoice. And then this is where you're going to get into this. So what we're going to do is you are going to choose the type of cart you want. So I'm going to select sales cart because I also know that this is what I want the template in. And then I'm going to click next into design. And instead of clicking launch editor, I'm going to import this design because it's the first time. If I'm going to create this page as a template so that I can use it anytime I want to go back to it, I'm going to import the design. And the next time I'm going to be able to copy this design from another product and then edit it from there, so you don't have to import it over and over again. So I'm going to import the design, and I'm going to take the template URL that I have, and I'm going to paste it in here. So pasted the URL, I'm going to click continue, and what it's going to do is show me the opt-in template that I'm importing, and I can see everything. And then I'm going to click import this design. So now what I have is the ability to come in and edit the elements of this, and because this is a free product, there is no payment information because the price is 0. And all of these are set up to create jumps to the final checkout experience, because this is an opt-in page, it doesn't have one. And then let's say I've made all of my cart changes. I'm going to click save. And then I want to click on my success page. This is the place where you can make sure that all the information you need is there, whether or not they have access to it, all of those different things. So this is all set up for this, and you just want to add anything that you want, let them know how they're receiving their resource, all of those lovely things. And then once you've made these changes, you're going to save changes again, and click next. And now you have completed editing. You can add things like tracking and complete your product setup process, add any rules, and then click save and get your URL, and your product is all set up, and you have imported your page template into ThriveCart.